Want your AI voiceovers to sound as natural and professional as possible. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize voice quality in Murf AI in 2026 using a few simple techniques that can make a noticeable difference. First, open your Murf AI project and review your script. Clear sentences, proper punctuation, and natural wording help AI voices produce smoother and more realistic narration. Breaking long paragraphs into smaller sections also improves pacing. Next, explore the available AI voices and select one that matches your content. Depending on your project, a professional, conversational, or expressive voice may produce better results. Preview several voices before making your final decision. After selecting a voice, adjust the available settings if needed. Depending on the selected voice, you may be able to change the speaking speed, improve pronunciation, or add pauses to create a more natural rhythm. Small adjustments often have the biggest impact. Generate a preview and listen carefully from beginning to end. Pay attention to words that sound rushed, unclear, or unnatural. If something doesn't sound right, edit the script slightly or adjust the voice settings before generating another preview. Once you're satisfied with the voice quality, generate the final version and export the audio if your subscription includes downloads. So before using it in your project, listen to the exported file one more time to confirm everything sounds as expected. And that's how you optimize voice quality in Murf AI in 2026. By combining a strong script, the right AI voice, and a few careful adjustments, you can create voiceovers that sound polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.